Doug with Yaskawa here at FabTech, checking out all sorts of automation, even outside of robotics. And stop by Binar's booth here, and I'm with Johan, and Rohan is the product specialist, so he's going to take you through a couple of things that they've got here.
Hi there, my name is Johan Smariel and I'm representing Binar Handling out of Sweden. Binar Handling is part of the Smalls Group, so we are promoting this product through the Smalls Group here in the US. What I'm going to show you today is our quick lift arm, which is an electrical driven manipulator. Very easy to use and focusing a lot on precision as well as safety. Very intuitive to use. Simply grab the red handle, and with the slightest force, it will immediately start to move when you touch the handle. And as you can see, just using my fingers, you can see how smooth and easy it is to operate. This is the control handle, so this is the integrated solution, how we keep track of the different applications. With a couple of interfaces here for the operator. These are the push buttons for the operator to control the end effector. In this case, we are showing a magnet, but we can do pretty much any kind of end effector that we mount underneath of the handle.
Okay.
With the use of the smartness inside of it, we can integrate safety. For instance, we have the non-drop functionality, meaning that once we have lifted up the lifting object, the grip and release push buttons are turned off, so the operator cannot accidentally pushing the buttons and drop the object.
Okay.
Also, we have nice features as auto balance, where we actually, once you move the handle and then you let go, the system will need a second or two, and then auto balance, which means that I can actually lift the piece with my fingers, and it will follow my smoothest movement like this. So very easy if you can imagine having a larger piece.
Oh yeah.
That you need to control from a wider distance.
All right. Ergonomics is the key here.
Yeah. Another
Safety.
Great feature is actually our patented swivel. So this is the pneumatic air we bring down to the end effector, not for the lifting but for the end effector, and then also the signal cable. So as you know, a lot of operators, they kind of walk in circles when they work with equipment, making this looks pretty bad in the afternoon. What we have done is design a swivel that can do continuous 360 rotation. So simulating that, we can actually turn it around like that, and you see how smooth it really rotates. This is really a saver for equipment like this, because the feeding of power is usually one of the weakest points on every lifting equipment.
Yeah.
We also have other nice features from a safety point of view, and that is if we lose the electrical power or we lose air pressure, we have a designed way of doing things that you can lose it and still maintain the grip of the lifting object. And also once you start it up after shortage, you will still keep the lifting object in position. The heads comes in a couple of different setups depending on what kind of end effector you have down here. So that makes it really easy to integrate it into all kinds of different applications. This particular one has a valve inside, so we have the pneumatic control of the magnet, and everything is run inside of the handle. So you can see how clean the whole installation is, making the need for maintenance really limited. But we also have other type of heads where you can actually put suction cups or hooks down here. If you use the suction cup solution, we can actually have vacuum ejector inside of the head. Okay. So instead of this magnet, you have a bar, two suction cups, and it will be the same clean installation as you see on this standard end effector. The handle can then be mounted either in manipulator arms, which we are showing here. So using this, we can actually cover a lot of area for an application, and this is actually a very nice solution. Also, thanks to the design of the arm, making very low effort needed to move it around.
Great. Excellent. Well, thank you very much for the rundown. Appreciate
Yeah, you
it.
got it.